The 2025 Ram 1500 RHO is here to take over where the legendary TRX left off, combining raw off-road power with next-generation engineering and luxury refinement. Built for the bold, this truck brings the heart of a desert racer into a package that's ready for everyday adventure. At first glance, the RHO's stance says it all. Wider fenders, aggressive bumpers, and 35-inch all-terrain tires make it look ready to conquer anything. Under the hood lies a new Hurricane 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, replacing the outgoing supercharged V8, and while it's more efficient, it's just as ferocious, delivering over 540 horsepower and instant torque for any terrain. The 2025 Ram 1500 RHO rides on a reinforced suspension system with adaptive Bilstein dampers, giving it incredible control at high speeds across dirt, rock, or sand. With available 4-bob dud modes and electronic locking differentials, it doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Inside, Ram hasn't compromised a bit. Premium leather seats, a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen, and the same luxurious cabin from the Denali-level trims give the RHO the perfect blend of comfort and capability. This is an off-road truck that feels at home on the highway and in the dunes. Ram's design team has made sure this isn't just another special edition. It's the future of American off-road trucks. The RHO name might be new, but its attitude is unmistakably Ram. Power, precision, and presence. Expect pricing to start around $70,000, depending on configuration.